Yo guys, good morning! We're going at Kaylee's 8th birthday. Ngayon, celebrate natin yung birthday ni Kaylee dito sa Pansol. Ngayon, papunta na kami sa resort.
Uy, ang ganda ng resort ang J&J. J&J at Spring.
1 hour later.
Wish mo kay Kaylee. Sana ano ba? Wish mo kay Kaylee? Magpasaway. Maging matakot sa lahat. Lalo na sa'yo. Sana nakakinig. Kay Kaylee. Yun lang?
Wag magpala ako.
A few moments later.
Vloggers ng kuya ko eh.
Hindi pwedeng ganyan pasay. Hi to my vlog. My ex pinsan.
Sorry, ex mo talaga. Hi, Sasha. Welcome to my vlog. Hi.
Yo guys, welcome to my house. House to
House tour. Oh, where's your closet? Oh, where's oh, wow.
Blow muna at matutunin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Tarap, Kaylee. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow. Blow, Kay. Kabila. Anong wish mo, be? Anong wish?
minutes later.
May masaya ka, be?
Chime so loud, かけてく音白黒のライフ色をつけてくよきっと晴れ時計祭り暮らしがごちゃになって天皇の海岸をたださまよってるんでしょ Hey もうハウスナンバー覚えていくとこないならここに来よまだ足りないんだ愉快な遊びがね危機的興味本位 刺激的ニューウェーブ見たい方に理想の答えはあると思うよ
A few moments later.
good morning day to natin dito sa feeling. Ano yung view? Dito pa rin tayo sa Los Baños.
Hi, vlog. Pauline, hi.
Pasok. Ito yung bed namin.
Hi, vlog. Pero ang ganda mo dun. Ang ganda mo dun.
Mas okay na ito yung CR namin kaso may mamshi dito eh.
Nandyan mamshi mo.
Andiyan mamshi
Let's go
ko.
to the upstairs.
Let's go. So here we're gonna see the stairs.
Oh, wow! So big! Wow! You have a chandelier! OMG!
Second floor, we have room 1, room 2.
Can I see it?
Bilis mo naman.
Ay! Sorry, sabi kasi doon, watch your step in.
For now, the room 1 and room 3 is locked.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Room 2. Oh!
We have 4 beds.
These are,
This is
my bed.
Yes. And this one, I don't know. And we have aircon.
Wow!
And the sea. Oh,
So rich kid. Wow!
It's very.
Ganda naman ng CR.
We're gonna go to our room 4.
Close the door and turn on the light. Turn on the lights!
Ay,
OMG, you're so bobo.
minuto pa rin dyan. Hindi. Sa room 4, room 4 yan ang
Wow!
Ito, mas wide siya.
Wide
This is the bedroom of mag-asawa.
of my sister and brother.
Of my pamangkin. Niece. My niece. Yan.
Oh, what's
And I
next?
thought you're gonna hear.
No, I'm not.
You're here.
Oh,
And
where's
this
the,
is CR.
comfort room?
Comfort zone. It's prettier than the other.
OMG.
It's so
But you don't
Kalat.
have a mirror.
yeah.
It's so
That's what
ugly.
I'm looking for.
Forward.
Nanasblig mo. Medyo magaling lang.
Sira pala.
Ayun dito ko siya. Okay, we're gonna go to...
Close the door.
Okay, so let's go to our...
Ah, ayoko dyan. Impyerno yan.
Maganda ang view dito. The view is I love you.
Yeah, kinikilig ako. Ano yun? Ba, parang itim.
Ano ko dito? I-focus naman. Okay. Pagka...
OMG, the view is so very, uniqueness.
Oh, the CR.
Oh, we have another CR?
Yes. This is for the boy. Yeah. After this is the balcony. Ay, hindi pa pala the balcony. Vacant lang to. Kung gusto nyo kumain, ganun. And these are
The terrace.
the terrace.
Ang ganda mo dyan, be. Isa pa. Ngiti.
And this is our terrace or what we call balcony. So this is our mansions.
Ulit.
Jesus.
Dali na, hindi.
This is our mansions.
Thank you for watching. Ano na?
Thank you.
Outro na.
Thank you for watching our
Dali. Thank you for watching our video. See you next vlog.
A few moments later.
I forgot the swimming pool.
Okay, let's go.
Nakapatid na lang ah.
Okay.
I forgot the pool. Come, let's go.
Oh, pakilala mo sa iyo, team.
This is my kuya, older kuya.
You look like youngest. Oh, yung regalo. Yung regalo, pakita mo.
This is my gift all. All of these are my gift.
Uy, kapal ng mukha.
And this is Ate Mari.
Hi!
Go, let's go.
Uy, ano yan? Ansan? Hala, may piniprito nga pala.
Uy, don't be mad on my vlog.
Okay, sorry.
OMG. So, if you're gonna open, this is Kulambo.
Okay.
If you're gonna open it, you're gonna see the swimming pool.
Wow!
Shit!
Wow!
OMG, the water is gone.
The water is gone.
Yeah. So, this is our swimming pool. We have bilyaran there.
Let's go.
So, dito, we have that.
Ano ba yan? Mababasa ako. Ayoko pa. Ikaw na lang.
Sabi naman ko, makayaw na sa akin.
Bakit ako yung nagluluto?
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi! 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 Ako din sali. Game 1, 2.
Oh, nakasali pa siya. And then this is our TV. This is our refrigerator. And driver of our car. Not jeep, it's a car. Go, come on. This is our basketball.
Your house is so big pala! Go! Wow! Wala. Buboy.
Come here, this is our bilyaran.
Be, let's go na. I'm so tired na. Outro na ulit.
See, you saw our house? It's so nice.
Hindi, yung ano ni Zainab. Yung again and again, again.
Ano nga yun?
Kalimutan ko nga eh.
Sa una yun eh. For today's video. Hindi, una yun.
Sige na, bye-bye na. Bye!
1 hour later.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you,